Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. As you see, we know so we feel festive. We are out in the beautiful paradise island of Jamaica, where we were born and bred, and now we are visiting. Don't that sound weirdy?
It's good to be visitors here in Jamaica. Guys, you're getting two in one today. Earlier you watch story time. Where are we from? So you get a good background check on us, right? You know about Russia and Wally now. Guys, if you just started watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to the channel, alright? We're gonna be doing a review on how we find our trip so far. How is it so far? It's been years. I've been trying to come back to Jamaica. I've been having a hard time with Rushy coming back, but of course your boy get her to come back into the place, you know what I mean? And it's a good feeling so far. But there are some things that we saw, you know, I think mostly good, but we appreciate about this trip. Question number one. Ask the question now.
How you find your experience in Jamaica thus far?
Well, guys, for everybody out there, you know, I'm a real Jamaican, so. And my experience so far, not take away not from that. It is everything what I expected. Especially the people and the level of warmness, how warm they are, I love it. You know what I mean? Because of course, the thing will affect Jamaica right now, a crime and violence, and of course when you're in a resort, you are at a resort, you're not going to experience that. Given that we're not experiencing that, I would give Jamaica 100% right now. No big man thing.
How you find
right
the climate now in March?
Well, I think Jamaica nice all year round. The mornings are really cool and nice. When I say morning, I mean, you know, anytime after 12, go straight back till like 6:30. And then after that, the sun come up and it get really hot about 9 a.m., 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. At this time around 2 o'clock, it starts simmering down. The place nice, guys. Just look outside. Just look at the tourists. In the water, and the water is warm and the sun not shining.
And a lot of breeze.
And a lot of breeze. You know what I mean? So now I get 2 in 1 today, guys. 2 in 1. If you haven't watched the story time again, go back and watch it. What was the other question?
Alright. What do you miss the most about Jamaica?
Oh God, those are the way you asked me first.
I'm gonna ask you what your experience was.
Oh, when I miss, but they're the same answer going to be for two of them.
You miss the people basically.
Yeah, I miss the interaction. Foreign nice, and of course, I miss home, but like 10% right now. Maybe after another 5 days, I will miss Canada some more. But as it stands now, the people is what I've been dying to see. You know what I mean? And here, me just like hear people talk and so on.
The mannerism too, like thank you, good morning and so on. While people in Canada say it, it's almost like it's automatic here for people to say it and for you to say it also, like good morning and so on. So it kind of just feel natural, you know what I mean?
It feel real. It feel real. And I don't know if because we're in the country area. So currently, guys, for those who don't know Jamaica that well, we are in a rural part of Jamaica.
The tourist section.
The parish of Westmoreland, and then we are in a tourist area. That's a Negril area, right? So persons who work within these tourist resorts or tourist resort areas, they are from the rural areas, right? Most times. And then for me, I find them a little bit more humble, mannerable, and calm. So then you get that feeling in the hotel. They're not really hyped up. I'm kind of like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next thing I love about being here in Jamaica, what I really appreciate, when I come here and I come out and bathe down, almost every girl look bathed down and shampooed. So I just feel like I'm in my zone. You know, I don't feel weird, I don't feel like I'm overdressed. And I love that. Like Jamaican girls, if you don't have yourself a Jamaican girl, go get yourself a Jamaican girl, right?
Yeah, but them love cuss and them love problem and them don't know wrong with them. They love argument.
Yeah, but
the white woman, like white woman, them come. Hey, honey, you wanna go and have a shower? Nice.
Yeah, but like the Jamaican girls here, they're lit. The girl them, even the big woman them nice. Them cute, them body strong, and them just as a one.
For the guys I'm out there, if you're not careful, you know, we find yourself looking all over the place.
So me and you will look.
Huh?
Me and you will look.
So you gonna look for a woman?
Yeah, me and you.
You gonna admire a woman?
Then they have to take me too. Then can't take you alone.
By the way, guys, Rashid drunk, yo, you must drunk, you're drunk.
They have to take me too.
Yo.
They can't take him alone, so.
Nah,
Alright.
But on a serious note though, the woman them look
Don't
good.
they look good?
Them look good for sure.
We could even turn the camera to show you some. The girl them
look,
down here.
Them look good for sure. Them look good for
The
sure.
foreign girl them gonna have to step up on the team. Jamaican girls are lit.
Yeah, man, and the shape up
Oh,
there.
God.
Not for country woman still, but them are go on.
Then Trang too.
Yeah. Them are good
Anyways,
shape.
what else we gonna talk about?
Big up all country woman who watch. Big up every country woman on the channel, alright?
The next thing too, when we really like, all the food them like, oh my, the
Because
cooking.
so far, guys, we haven't had oxtail so far. I'm gonna tell you straight up, and we haven't had oxtail, ackee and saltfish.
Yeah, them say like.
I'm gonna tell you, the menus outside of that amazing,
True.
endless, everything good, conch, everything,
Seafood,
everything. Just think about every other dish. Them have it here. You know, so even though we don't get it,
everything.
ridiculous, man.
What else do you like? Like
Well,
generally as a
Right now,
review,
I'm tired already.
a review for this hotel, I would encourage persons to come here because I would revisit definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
There's too much activities to get done. Like for me, if you can afford it, like the ideal amount of time to spend here is like 4 days, 3 nights minimum. I would say to really get a chance to experience everything without rushing.
Yeah, for real.
You know what I mean?
For real. 5 nights would be excellent.
Excellent. Right?
Excellent.
It
You know what
has
I mean?
a lot
Vibe,
to
you know,
offer.
guys, me now have vibe. Come make a walk. You know, vibe. Trust me. Continue, Rashi.
And the facility is quite clean. The only down I would give is over our section where the passages, I'm not sure if it's the paint or what, but it have a funny smell. I don't really like that. That's my thumbs down for the hotel. Like
the smell in the hallway.
The hallway at the Diamond. So somewhere we had the Diamond and
Diamond
Club.
Yeah.
It should have a better smell.
Yeah, the smell.
So Negril Royalton manager, if you're watching this, if you could address this, I don't know if it's the paint smell or something. If you could address that, that would make it be perfect.
True.
You know what I mean?
True.
Yeah.
True.
All right.
Let's take a walk.
Oh, the welcome here is superb. When you come, they give you a drink.
Oh, I think we mentioned that before, no?
I'm not sure.
We mentioned that in a previous video.
I'm a shorty, so you have to be showing me. So, all right, they gave us a welcome drink. The login, when you just come, it kind of take a while, but I guess it worth it because we got upgraded, so I can't really complain. And you see some carts. You see the cart there? You're escorted to your room by that cart, and you can actually call them to come and pick you up if you can't bother walk. You also can ask them to come, then restock your fridge and clean out your room every morning. I never even know so them do this service. I thought they only did it when you're checking out for a new person to come.
Or you call for room service.
Or you call for it. They do it without you even calling, and restock your fridge and change your towel them and spread all your bed. So that's like VIP style. They drink them, the mixologists what them have here, very good. You have to come here and have the Bob Marley. We had that drink with the liquor.
Oh,
really
nice.
nice.
Trust me, we were planning, and cause don't bash me, but there's so much things to do here. We're planning to go like outside the resort area, and we never do that, right? Because every night a big party. We have a big party here.
They go party,
and free drinks all night, all white. Then before that, they have another theme, and then if sometime them have like a festival thing will happen early in the morning. May I tell you guys, it's just non-stop activity, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Our entertainment. For the activities now, touching on the point of activity, it costly. I think it is costly. Like the
parasailing.
Well, all right. I'm going to put you in a clip right now showing you guys like the thing where they do with the boat and have them around the back.
And that's $30 US per person.
Watch this for a quick second. Watch the madness. Watch the madness. Guys, the place nice. Alright, so you see that way you just saw? is $30 per person on the back.
And it's just 3 person maximum.
3 persons maximum. So I think that's expensive. That should be $10 US to go on that for like 5 minutes, right? That's a bit too expensive.
And another pointer, if you're coming from Canada and coming here for vacation, it's preferable that you change out your money in US. Jamaica not cheap. The Canadian kind of weak down here. Everything you still have to convert it to US. So walk with US or you use your US account to do transactions.
Good one.
Also, if you can draw the money from your country and come, like for just offset things, it's easier because the ATM that they have here, the conversion rate is more expensive than in Canada. So anywhere you are, if you can avoid it, just walk with that cash.
Yes, walk with the US dollar cash. So just walk with a couple of $100 cash. Just have that in your back pocket. As opposed to going to the ATM using your Visa card to draw.
Right.
You're going to lose so much based on the exchange rate.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
High interest or whatever.
Yeah, man. Just the exchange rate is higher. Yeah, man.
And what else would be your point?
What else? I see you have your lovely people here. Craft market area selling them stuff. You see that? They have some nice stuff so you can pick up your souvenir. Yeah, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up. So once you come.
Yes. Maybe not passing back.
Yeah. So they have some good stuff selling. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So you can grab your stuff.
Alright, and what else? If you miss breakfast, lunch or dinner, the jerk center, you have a pop-up jerk center here where you can get rice and peas, jerk chicken, jerk pork right round the clock. And the bar them right round the clock.
Right round the clock.
Right round the clock.
Even at night you can get wraps, wings, what do you call it now?
And
the Philly steak at the sports bar. So it's a really good look.
Right. Alright, I think that kind of wraps it up. And if you're into like exercising, them have the gym same way. Right?
You know, I'm not touch the gym yet, I promise say. Guys, I don't want to bash me through my belly big, you know. Right? The Royalton competition or Mr. Royalton, I see it my belly big, but the Canada for so long and I eat too much food. I'm going to put on some weight.
The activities for the days of the week, so on Mondays, them have the vibe team. And then that's in the daytime, and you know they must have the different activities that they have for the different days of the week, right? So I only them have activities galore.
Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, guys. So we just are showing a glimpse of our go on. But this area, the main entertainment area, we're not going to really go around there too long, huh?
You got me too?
Alright, big up yourself.
Respect.
Yeah, man, alright. Yeah, man, so you have some good carving there, so.
You met them?
Yes.
So how much is something like that?
70 US. And we got the black coral bracelet from the ocean, see bottom? Yes. And we got the castor oil to every pain in the world and sickness.
So you're saying that you can use it for pain?
Every sickness,
You just rub it wherever you're feeling the pain?
Yes. It had the meaning, every meaning here.
Okay.
How much is castor oil?
$30. They got the bedroom tonic.
What? Yeah, so much it is? $1?
We got the Enium sick beast booster.
How much it is? $1?
20 US.
Alright, 20 US, not
And
bad
that
still.
one I know. Sirsa, bitterwood, chicken with aloe vera, everything. That's for cancer, blood sugar, and pressure.
And pressure?
Yes, that's the powerfulest one. That's bitterness. And we got the jerk sauce and jerk seasoning.
Alright.
We like these two though, guys. See all the men them who like being strong, check out this.
And it's for cough and cold drainer, for fever and cold. Like you come in and you feel chilly, you just take a cup.
And the immune booster.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes. And the castor oil now for pain, skin, fungus, boil everything in the earth.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good stuff.
And I boil them myself.
Alright, so guys, the music kind of loud. We're going to leave from this area and go back round.
Right.
Big up.
Yes.
What we call it, I?
Alright, my friend.
What's your name?
Ned.
Alright, Ned, big up.
Yes.
Alright, mate, big up.
Yeah. So guys, you see that? You can get it everything here. So anyway, still that's it. So overall,
and you see guys,
oh,
then as a Canadian, you know, everything in a US. So that's
everything
why
in
I
a US dollar.
walk with the US.
Walk with the US is better for you.
And if you're planning to come here any resort in Negril, I just tell you, from the airport, if you want to take like a shuttle taxi from the airport, the ones that are authorized, it is $100 to the hotel if the hotel is in Negril.
Yeah.
So
but
just
expensive though, $100.
Say you say nobody not take Canadian. Me I tell you, them say what? Only for pound US straight.
Yeah.
So Jamaica ain't cheap. So that's just my pointer for now. I hope this video was informative. You know me like giving tips. So if anything, we'll check in later again. So just go and big up on yourself.
And don't feel like it's like all of them are saying the same thing. If you go inside the airport, if you go outside the airport, everybody's saying $100.
Right.
So there's no way to go around it. Yeah man, big up on yourself guys. See a call coming here. Road. Press the subscribe. Press the subscribe and like up the video. Go on Rashi, say the nice
Like,
way.
share and subscribe guys, and leave a comment for Rashi and Walid. So until other time, big up on yourself straight. I love you all. Love you, know.